Thank you. Give it up for Peppermint. Woo. Hosting the hell out of this. Damn. My name is Ilana Glazer. My pronouns are they and she, and I am an artist and an activist. And despite the circumstances, I am so happy to see all of you here today. I'm so happy to be with you because I love a story about an unlikely hero, about a guy who's underestimated and when called upon rises up to exceptional heights, gathering all his courage to exceed the call of duty, not only to fulfill his role, but to change the world. And no matter what happens in that court today, December 4th, 2024, Chase Strangio is an American hero changing the world for the better. Today, Chase and a team of lawyers from the ACLU and Lambda Legal are defending the people of the United States, arguing for the Supreme Court to strike down Tennessee's ban on medical care for young people who are trans. Tennessee is one of 24 states, 24 out of 50 of our United States, which outlaws doctors from providing care they deem necessary for families with trans kids. This case, making its way from Tennessee up to the Supreme Court, reaches far beyond trans youth. Today, the majority of Americans' God-given freedom over our own bodies is being threatened. We've seen these same tactics played in prohibiting doctors from providing life-saving medical care to people who need abortions. 41 out of our 50 United States have bans on abortion, bans that force women to stay pregnant, force women to give birth, bans that kill women and girls. We Americans, as a nation, are fueled by freedom. There is no freedom found in talking about the private, sacred parts of Americans' bodies on a political stage. There is no freedom in our government invading our medical appointments. Medical care should be between patients and their care providers. There is no freedom in restricting the hard-working community of American doctors from providing health care they've been trained to identify as necessary. Where is the freedom in threatening to imprison doctors for fulfilling their Hippocratic oath? Gender-affirming healthcare and abortion are simply medical treatments, both of which have been politicized to distract Americans from the growing wealth gap. As our government slides into an authoritarian framework, girls' and women's bodies and trans bodies are exploited as a device for distraction. We are used as a topic to plug into national conversation in order to draw our focus away from the real danger, the extremely imbalanced concentration of wealth oppressing humanity and the planet. We all feel increasing income inequality on a daily basis, and we can see and hear manufactured discourse about trans and femme bodies strategically expand at the same pace. Politicians and judges are not doctors. They should not be stopping Americans from getting the medical care doctors prescribe. They should be advancing a standard for basic human rights for all Americans. They should be ensuring the God-given freedoms we've all been promised. Today, I thank the brave lawyers of ACLU, the ACLU of Tennessee and Lambda Legal, and I thank Chase Strangio. I thank the courageous Dr. Susan Lacey. I thank the powerful trans elders here today showing history accurately. I thank the strong trans youth who are balancing the enormous task of growing up in this world with the unimaginable weight of standing up for what is right before the highest court. These people are American heroes, arguing before a court which has proven in recent history that it does not believe in their individual rights to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness in order to ensure that we, the people, have access to ours. Thank you.